Now this is the continuation of lesson number 8. Okay, on page number 111 of lesson number 8, a short monsoon diary. So part 2, let's see, open, it's August 2. So here all night the rain has been dumping on the corrugated tin roof. There has been no storm, no thunder, just a steady swish of the tropical downpour. So here our author Ruskin Bond noticed about the 2nd October. So he wrote about 2nd October, and on 2nd October night there was all night it's a rain. So August, 2nd August. So all night there has been a rain, and it drumming means falling noisily. So there was just a rain falling noisily. There was no storm, no thunder, just a rain falling noisily. So continuous rain was falling at that night. And corrugated means shaped like a parallel folds. So આપણે પતરા એમ કહીએ ને, so just like that is called a corrugated tin roof. So the sound of swish, that is a sound of water rushing sound. So all the night he can hear the sound of rushing water on his tin roof, which are corrugated means which are parallel to the folds. ફોલ્ડ એકબીજાથી ફોલ્ડ પેરેલલ કરેલા હોય ને, જસ્ટ લાઈક આપણે પતરા એવું કહીએ, પેરેલલ ફોલ્ડ આપેલા હોય. સો હિઝ રૂફ્સ આર જસ્ટ લાઈક દેટ, પેરેલલ ફોલ્ડ, પતરાની રૂફ છે. સો થ્રુ આઉટ ધ નાઇટ હી કેન હિયર ધ રશિંગ સાઉન્ડ ઓફ વોટર વિચ આર ઓફ રેનિંગ હોલ ધ નાઇટ. So there was no storm, no thunder, just a steady swish of a tropical downpour. So tropical downpour means steady, continuous rainfall. And it helps me to lie awake. At the same time, it doesn't keep me from sleeping. So at one side, it helps me to lie awake. So because of that sound, which he heard? The swish sound. So flushing sound, swish sound throughout the night he can hear, and by this sound he cannot sleep. Okay, but at the same time he doesn't keep me from sleeping. The sound was so rhythmly, so it comes in rhythm, so it keeps me sleep. બરોબર, એનાથી એને ઊંઘ આવી ગઈ. બરોબર. So at first he doesn't sleep because of that sound, and afterwards sometimes he can sleep because of that sound, swish sound of rain. Now it is a good sound to read by the rain outside, the quiet within. So he say that there is a rain outside and it is complete silent within the room. Room ની અંદર એકદમ silent છે, અને બહાર શું છે? It is a sound of rain which he can hear by that tin roof. એનું રૂફ કેવું છે? ટીન, પેરેલલ ફોલ્ડ્સનું બનેલું પતરાનું રૂફ છે. સો હી કેન હિયર ધ સાઉન્ડ, એન્ડ હી સે દેટ દેર ઇઝ અ સાયલન્ટ ઇન ધ રૂમ ઇનસાઇડ, એન્ડ દેર ઇઝ અ સાઉન્ડ, noisy sound outside the room. And although tin roofs are given to springing unaccountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. So although the tin roofs are given to springing unaccountable leaks, so these tin roofs, they are unaccountable means without explanation. So without explanation these tin roofs are leaking. So he feel that something touch with the rain but not touch with the real rain. બરોબર, real rain is there of the outside of the room and leaking rain is there inside the room. So something he was touched with the rain but something not touched with the real rain. So he feels feeling of untouched by the rain and yet in touch with. So something touch and something not untouched, something not touched with the real rain. Now he talking about the leaking roof. Okay, leaking the tin roof. Now it is complete.
Yes.
Okay, now August 2nd is complete. Now see August 3rd. Now he is explain the 3rd August. Now the next day the rain stopped. The clouds began to break up. The sun struck the hill on my left. A woman is chopping up sticks. So on the next day the rain was stopped and the clouds began to break up. Clouds were not there and they were break up means they go away from there. The clouds nathi, હવે clouds ત્યાં રહ્યા નથી and rain also stopped. Now they can see the sun from the sky. તો એવો hills પરથી sun ને જોઈ શકે છે. Now a woman is chopping up sticks and all the peoples they are doing their own jobs. Just like that woman, she is chopping the sticks, એટલે કે લાકડા કાપી રહી છે. I hear the tinkle of cowbells. So tinkle is a light ringing of cowbells. Cowbell નો જે ગળામાંની ઘંટીનો અવાજ આવી રહ્યો છે. So our author hear that bells. So all the persons and all the animals also do their own jobs. Okay, so બધા પોતપોતાના કામ પર લાગી ગયા. In the oak tree, a crow shakes the raindrops from his feather and cows disconsolately. So disconsolately means unhappy. So crow is shaking his feather to for the raindrops. Raindrops એના feathersની અંદર આવેલા છે, બધા raindropsને shake કરી દીધું અને નીચે પાડી દીધું. So that is the crow which was observed by our author, which was shaking its feather. And also the cows are become unhappy because of there is no rain today. તો આજે રેન નથી. So cows are become unhappy. So disconsolately means unhappily. Water drips from a leaking drain pipe. So now he observed one draining pipe. So water is leaking from the drain pipe and suddenly now this type of silent weather he can observe then. So it is something not good. So this weather is something not good, but and suddenly clean and pure the song of the whistling trust emerge like a dark sweet secret from the depth of the ravine. So suddenly he can hear the clean and pure sound of a thrush. Thrush means a migratory songbird કે જે બીજા કન્ટ્રીમાંથી આવતું હોય, it is called migratory birds. So suddenly આવું બધું જે એટમોસ્ફિયર હતું કે ક્રો ફીધર્સ શેક કરી રહ્યું હતું, cows were unhappy and all the persons and animals are they are doing their own jobs and a continuous જે silent and unhappy atmosphere હતું, suddenly he can suddenly change with the voice of this bird, migratory bird's song. So this whole atmosphere was become joyful. The atmosphere joyful બની ગયું, મસ્ત બની ગયું. So the song of the whistling trust emerge like a, see here the song is compared with a dark sweet secret from the depth of the ravine. Ravine is a valley. So it is compared with, so bird's song is compared with a dark secret. So some researchers were research in the valleys, જે વેલીઝ હોય એની અંદર રિસર્ચ કરવામાં આવે. સો જસ્ટ લાઇક ધેટ એન્ડ રિસર્ચ કરતાં કરતાં કંઈક સિક્રેટ ડાર્ક સિક્રેટ મળી જાય, સ્વીટ ડાર્ક સિક્રેટ મળી જાય. સો જસ્ટ લાઇક ધેટ. ઓકે, તો કેટલા ખુશ થઈ જાય ને. સો જસ્ટ લાઇક ધેટ ડાર્ક secret from the depth of the valley, just like that the sound of, કોનો સાઉન્ડ આવ્યો? Sound of thrush is thrush can be heard. તો આ સ્વીટ સિક્રેટના જેવો વોઇસ લાગ્યો, બરાબર. કેમ સ્વીટ સિક્રેટ મળ્યું હોય તો એકદમ ખુશ થઈ જાય રિસર્ચર્સ. જસ્ટ લાઇક દેટ આ જે સ્વીટ સોંગ સાંભળીને આપણા ઓથર પણ કેવા થઈ ગયા છે, એકદમ જોયફુલ, હેપી બની ગયા. સો હી કેન હિયર ધ વોઇસ ઓફ ધ migratory bird. Now August 12. Now endless rain. So there is endless rain on August 12 and a permanent mist. So there is a mist, fog is permanent. We haven't seen the sun for 8 or 9 days. So continuously rainfall on 12th August. So for 9 or 8 days there has been a continuous rainfall. They cannot see the sun. Everything dumped and soggy. So dump means wet, બધું ભીનું થઈ ગયું, wet થઈ ગયું. And soggy means everything is become muddy, mud, બધું કાદવ કિચડવાળું બની ગયું. So everything become damp and soggy. Now where to go? Now here to go. So he went somewhere. So where? So pace to the room. Pace means he moved towards his room. Look out the window at the few bobbling umbrellas. So bobbing means moving up and down. So he went towards his room and he can see from the window that some persons were roaming out there on the road and they were with their umbrellas. તો એણે પોતાના વિન્ડોમાંથી બહાર જોયું કે some peoples were roaming on the roads and they were with their umbrellas which are bobbing. So bobbing means moving up and down. So at least it isn't cold. So though there is more and or 8 or 9 days rainfall, so heavy rainfall, but it is at least there is not cold nathi, so it is good for them. So it is not cold rain nathi means there is no snowfall, so he feel relief for that. So એનાથી એને relief feel થયું. The hillside are lush as late monsoon flowers begin to appear. So now hillsides are lush as late monsoon flowers begin to appear. So monsoon flowers are now also appeared, like wild balsam, dahlias, then begonias and ground orchids. So these are the monsoon flowers. They can also appear on the hillsides. Okay, so these are the picture of different flowers which can be seen on the Mussoorie hill stations. Okay, so we'll stop here and August 13 and 26th will be discussed later. Okay students, take care.